Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can calculate dates and times with formulas in Google Sheets. So in the Google Sheets, you can easily calculate dates and times using built-in functions and formula. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform date and time calculations. So the first one, I'm going to show you the basic date and time arithmetic. So Google Sheet stores dates and time as numbers, so making it easier to perform calculation. For example, if you want to add days in your Google Sheets, you can just use this function. So write equal to, sorry, and then choose the first date. And for example, you want to add days, I'm going to add the plus icon and I'm going to add, for example, 7 days. So just write 7. Now hit on enter, and as you guys can see, it will add days from the first one. And if you want to subtract it, you can just do the same, but using the minus, of course. You can just go with this minus 3, for example. So it will be subtract. And if you want to calculate a date difference, you can just use subtraction to find the number of days between two dates. For example, here I'm going to just go with this one minus this one, and the result is 7 because the differences is 7 days. Okay, if you want to calculate time values are fractions of a day in Google Sheets. For example, 0.5 represents 12 hours. So what you need to do is just, for example, I'm going to just write the time first in here. Okay, now I'm going to write on this. I'm going to add 3 hours to this time. So let's just use the A1 plus, for example, 3 for how many minutes in a day, like this. And the result is 6:30 a.m. You can also use it to calculate time differences. You can just write equal to this one, subtract 7 a.m. The result is 3 a.m. or 3 hours. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.